Looks like we have a really good turnout this year, and I found the initial dialogue to be very informative. The networking is fantastic.
So much has changed. It's bigger, it's more energetic. I find we're tackling some really interesting and unique topics now. I definitely see that people are really starting to engage with asset management as a platform, as a software platform, and really bringing together processes across their portfolio and thinking a lot more about the asset operation than they have in the past. So it's really coming through at this conference and over the last 6 months.
So far I really enjoy the specialization that I'm noticing. It's really easy to connect with people specifically within my workspace, which has been great. And then I'm also seeing a really wonderful spread of asset owners and then service providers that are in attendance.
I think this conference does a really good job of following the trends and the concerns that we're looking forward and seeing. You know, I think looking forward, you know, the market outlook is fantastic, and then really getting to see very candid conversations amongst other players in the market for the challenges they're seeing.
Other than seeing more of the O&M cost has to continue to come down, so you will see less and less labor being used too. So ways to come up with less and less labor.
Yeah.
One of the things that really strikes me about this conference is that it's very focused. We have been able to meet with so many of our customers, people that we haven't been able to see for a while, and people that we wanted to be seeing, prospects. It's kind of down home, actually. It's very accessible. So the content has been excellent, also very curated and very timely.